Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. On my recent trip to Brazil, I got to enjoy the natural beauty of the country, as well as their famed national drink, the Caipirinha. The Caipirinha features three things: sugar, lime, and cachaça. Now, cachaça is a white rum, except it's made from fresh pressed cane juice. So what they do is they take the cane juice, ferment that to produce the alcohol, and then filter it and distill it however they do distill it. Now, what that does is it imparts a natural cane juice flavor to the final product. So it's not as clean as rum, it has like this undertone to it, but it's really delicious. Now, to make this cocktail is rather simple. The first thing I'm gonna do, let me just clear my area here, is I'm gonna grab the lime and I'm gonna cut it in half. Now, once I have that cut in half, I'm gonna cut one small wheel for my final garnish. Just place that right on the edge of the cup there. And then with the remainder of the lime, I'm gonna cut it into 4 wedges. I'm gonna take these 4 wedges, drop it right into my shaker. Next, grab a teaspoon. Now, for each half a lime, you want to use about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now, I'm using raw cane sugar. 1, 2, and the reason why I'm using raw cane sugar is it also ties in that same flavor that you're going to find in the cachaça. With the lime and sugar in there, you're gonna muddle it down, no different than a mojito. Muddle it, get all that juice out. It's a good muddle, right? You're gonna get the lime oils out, you're gonna get the juice out. You wanna make sure that the sugar dissolves as much as possible. So muddle it for a good minute or so. Now, these caipirinhas, you can find them anywhere, literally on the beach, side streets. Everywhere that I was in Rio, there were caipirinhas for sale. I don't know if it's because it's a tourist zone or because they drink them that much, but pretty much everywhere I went, I had one of these. And actually the best one that I had was at this street samba party. And it was like this big for 5 reais. And 5 reais is like $1.33. So you can imagine what form I was in while I was out there. So now that I have that all muddled up, I'm gonna grab a healthy loading of ice. I'm gonna load up the shaker. And then, since we're making 1 serving, I'm gonna pour in 2 ounces of cachaça. Now, some recipes call for club soda, and I never seen them use club soda while I was there. Literally, it was cachaça, ice, limes, sugar. That's it. No other additives, no other fillers, just that. And what they would do, because since Rio is really hot, they'll just load it up with ice, let it sit for a while, and the ice itself melting is what waters the drink down a little bit so it's not as harsh. Because they are pretty strong, but they are a little mellowed out over time. As you're hanging out on the beach, the ice will melt and it becomes like almost like a spiked limeade. So I'm gonna give this a good shake. Now, once this is all shaken up and the ice has melted a bit, we're all set. We're gonna just pour that into our glass that we had garnished, ice and all. And there you have your classic Brazilian Caipirinha. Now, if you've enjoyed this cocktail, please let me know right in the comment section below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscription button, like, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for joining me at Hook Eat Up. Take care.